to know, what was your whole thought about it? About doing the 150 challenge?
Yeah, it was
Honey? It's after 9 p.m. and I have to make something really fast. So let's see. I think it's just gonna be ground turkey. I was gonna do rice, don't want to do that anymore. So it's gonna be tortillas or tortilla chips. Ground turkey. We're doing Tostitos. Wow, it's good. More?
Yes, please.
What is it?
He just likes cheese.
More?
Maybe a little more.
Ooh, try it, Reese, without the lettuce. Here. Here, Reese, there's no lettuce. Uh-huh. Mmm, cheesy.
Try it.
Ooh, you like it.
Hey, that's a big piece.
So yummy.
Yummy? Okay, so I'm gonna make me a little bit. Yeah. Oh, what's the cheese? For me, I'm putting mine in a lettuce.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
Making a lettuce wrap?
Yep. This is how mine's looking. I'm having a healthier version. Ooh.
Now this is yummy.
Okay, so we've been trying to end this video for a minute, but I have to deal with this guy. But I just wanted to say that the challenge was a success. I did learn quite a lot. So buying the chicken leg quarters was a really good idea. We were able to get how many meals from that, hun?
Quite a few. Quite a few meals.
Don't put your face in there. Just answer. Honey, don't make it like that. I can't do this.
Have fun with it.
I know. Yeah. So, yeah. And then the kids ended up liking the, what's it called? The tortilla chips. We had that with beef, turkey, and shredded cheese and lettuce. That was a good little meal right there. And, oh, we were not having peanut butter jelly sandwiches. And since the challenge, My husband is back on it. And it's hitting.
PB&J in the building, you feel me?
But yeah, we didn't get the normal jelly. We got the preserves, which is less sugar. So that was good. All in all, what was your whole thought about it? About doing the 150 challenge?
Yeah, it was
Honey?
it's cool. It was doable, right? You know, we can do what we set our minds to. We gotta just prioritize what we gotta prioritize, you feel me?
Why are you doing this? Why? Anyway, and then okay. So here's what I found. So from doing the challenge, it showed me that we can survive on 150 a week for a family. I learned a lot of things. I didn't realize how much I could save using chicken leg quarters. That package that you saw was $7 and change, and I used that for 3 meals. My husband grilled it, and we had pieces, big pieces for, at least 3-4 meals. It could have been more meals, but my husband and son, they were eating it for breakfast and lunch. So in a day, they were eating it multiple times when it should have been maybe dinner. Anyway, it was so good. So yeah, the leg quarters, that was a hit. The block cheese, that was a hit. I got like different types of cheese. They were like $1 something, and they loved it in pasta. So I used to be doing a lot of bacon the mac and cheese. Now I just boil it and put the different cheese, and the baby loved it better. Less work for me, so that was a hit. Peanut butter sandwiches. There was a time my husband didn't eat that, but that was one of the items on the list, and that was a good little snack. Sometimes if he had a sweet tooth, it's something that he had. So peanut butter and jelly, back in the grocery list. But yeah, all in all, I'll do it again. Initially, I didn't think I could, because we usually spent like $300-400, and then we still wouldn't know what we got. But getting a mixture of meals and, you know, a few snacks, limited cereal. I had more oatmeals and cream of wheats. That kind of helped out with the budget. So I totally recommend trying it. You can definitely save money. It's good if you're wanting to put your money other places. Say you're trying to pay down some things. It's a good way to cut back and just see how you could stretch your money. But all in all, I'll do it again.
Very good challenge.
All right. So that's it. We finally ended the video. And yeah, I finally got through the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.